natin nakikita.
But now they're the ones using it.
Here we go.
Ito ang pinakamahalagang match right now in AP Bren's time dahil kailangan nila makapag-scale ng mas mabilis. It's Kyrie holding the Nolan. It's Caltisi holding the Joy. Ito yung ilan sa mga heroes na never na pinakawalan sa entirety ng M5.
Yeah.
Kung sakali na meron kang kung sakali na ibibigay mo nga yung Joy, usually dapat laging may pagbawi at yung pagbawi na ginawa naman nila was to go for this Harith
Saglit
and
lang.
the Gushon.
Oh, gusto nila bigyan ngayon si Kiboy, kaya naman mapapa-flicker out. They're looking for the first blood kill, pero sumasagot pa rin siya. That's gonna be a 1-for-1 trade, pero si Kyle TZ napuruan doon ni Kyrie.
Okay. At nakakuha pa si Kyrie ng Kramer.
Kami niyang nakuha as of that moment because Kyrie was able to dish out. Ang ganda ng ginawa dito nitong si Kiboy para mag-alaga lang talaga siya doon kay Kyrie. Sinock up niya lahat ng damage that would be possible para hindi na mapuruan si Kyrie as of that moment, and those extra dashes. Nakatulong talaga kay Kyrie yun para makuha niya yung 2 kills at para mas mapalawig niya yung kalamangan kay KLTC.
Larong-laro.
Fracture, pero dito si Ogwen, wala pang level 4, kaya naman makakawala dito si Kyrie.
Okay. Larong-laro. Yun lang masasabi ko, Ingan Hans. Larong-laro yung Onyx.
Play na play.
Play na play. ML na ML. Lahat ng moves, swak. Lahat ng mga micro moves, swak.
Marco, Super Marco, nakikipagsabayan kay Chewe.
Oh no.
Pero dito na si Sans, he smells blood. Makakatakas pa kay Super Marco, nice dash out at na-block nga yung dagger ng minion.
Okay. Susubok pa sana si Sans doon, ha. Pero kamuntikan. Pero makakuha ng gold shield. Si Sans.
That's not good also kasi dalawang gold card yung nabitawan itong si Super Marco.
Oh no.
Na talagang pinupurga lang ng Tori as now. Both Onyx and AP Ben was to go for the extra turtle.
Yu is the first man down at Flap TC naman soaking up the damage. Coming in, ang ganda na naman ng penalty zone coming in from Boots. K-Boy with a spatial migration. Talaga namang lahat na kinukuha ng Onyx ngayon. Pero makakatakas si Ogwen. AP Brent nahihirapan sa game na ito.
4-1. 4-1 is the scoreline. Magti 3 minutes na. At sabi nga ng Onyx, sige, gusto nyo action, bibigyan namin kayo ng action. Ginawa nyo to sa amin nung una. And look at the swag, Gilak Sans. Recall, at mukhang hindi yun napapanish agad.
Klase ang ipinapakita ng Onyx ID ngayon. And hindi pa nga nangyayari itong si Chewe. As in, sobrang naaalagaan nila. They're making so many moves all over the map. And the gold earned, Kyrie leading by 800 gold. Kung ikukumpara mo kay KLTC and Kiboy, it's just at the near portions. Pero kitang-kita mo kasi yung impact sobrang tindi na hindi kinakaya ng AP Bren. Magpapakita siya, but all of a sudden, he's not gonna be there at sobrang laking tulong din kasi nung extrang items na kanyang binild up with extra regeneration and even a magic rope para kahit papano ay masustain niya yung damage output na binibigay ni KLTC and DPU. He is very confident in dealing damage and giving out information.
Level 5 against level 3 kanina. Super Marco namumula.
Ogwen nag-charge ngayon. Ang ganda ng counter onto K-Boy. Pero si Super Marco, medyo masakit na dinadish out na damage coming in from Kyrie. Chewe nandun to bring down Super Marco.
Na-advance ko na nga na hindi pa namumula pero alam mo agad na mamumula. Kasi nga, this is a total stop sa first 4 minutes. Onyx is just in their A-game. Ito na yung sinasabi ni Rahayeva na hindi kami confident. Ngayon, sobrang confident. Sobrang confident sa 4 minutes ang ating laro. Yung mga micro-mechanics na magano na nakakapita sila, things are looking bad para sa ng AP Bren.
Men, sa draft pa lang, halata mo ng sobrang confident nila kasi sobrang glass cannon din ng lineup na ito. If they have a bad early game, at dali manalo ng AP Bren dito. But this time, it's 5-1, 3K gold lead. Lamang na lamang ang Onyx.
They're gonna have to take care of this as well. Salmon Force na
Salmon Force, Ogwen, Tyrant's Rage na connect pero the damage kulang. Makapag-flicker out nga siya dito. Now K-Boy, makakabawi na si KLTC with electrifying beats. Pero si Chewe napakatapang. Nakuha nga ni Kyrie yung turtle. Pero parang si Chewe naman ang nanganganib ang buhay. Petrify coming in from Sans. At nakaisa ulit ang Onyx.
Habol pa si Tato Longest one. Hindi na. Flap DC. 6-2. 6-2 is the score.
And 2 turtles have also been taken by the side of Onyx ID kasi kita naman natin Kyrie is making the necessary moves possible. Sobrang nagiging involved na siya in engaging much of those team fights na AP Bren hindi na nila kinakaya yung damage output. 6-2 is the kill score. Kyrie has at least 67% of those kills. So dun pa lang alam mo na kagad na talagang yung Impure Rage damage output ay ramdam na ng kupunan ng AP Bren. Lalo na kung titignan mo yung itemizations niya, finally locking in the Hunter Strike and a bunch more. And ang laking tulong din kasi ng Thrill. It increases your physical attack damage at yun yung nararamdaman ng AP Bren.
Ladies and gentlemen, nagagalit na ang Onyx. Ayan na.
Special migration na naman onto Ogwen. Hindi makaka-setup dito. Bouncing ball, makaka-out. Pero si Flap TC nakaisa doon. Chewa's gonna go down. Ogwen makakatakas rin naman. AP Bren showing signs of life. Nakakahinga ulit ang mga beast.
Okay. Pero nagagalit yung Onyx. Nakikita mo sa ginagawa ng Onyx. Ayaw nilang pagpahingain ang AP Bren. Ginawa nila to nung game 2. Gusto nilang ulitin ngayong game number 3. 40 seconds ang Lord. Hindi na nagmamatter yung early game. Alam na nating lahat na lugi si Super Marco. Lumamang si Chewe. But then again, crucial death on Chewe, Crucial death on Chewe. Ang nakakuha ng kill, if I'm not mistaken, it's Kyle doon sa bottom side.
Yup, at least it was Kyle TZ na nakakuha nun. So yung kanina na medyo mataas na kalamangan, nitong si Kyrie ay napababa niya to 1K. But 1K is still 1K. That is a mini item na kailangan alalahanin ni Kyle TZ whenever he tries to engage. And it's gonna be super helpful, lalo na mamaya once that they try to go and contest for this turtle. Na ngayon, nakikita na naman sila.
Ogwen nakahuli. Tyrant's Rage kumonekta onto Boots. Pero may counter-attack coming in from Onyx. Kyrie onto backline. Tutumba na nga si Super Marco. Few makakatakas din naman. Pero that means kukulangin ang damage ang AP Bren sa third turtle.
At mukhang sabay-sabay nating mapapanood na pwedeng ilibre itong turtle take na ito. Ang kunat, nag-attempt yung AP Bren. But si Super Marco nawala, alright?
Nakahanap na naman si Bad Boy Keyboy. That's gonna be on to Flap TZ. 2 members down at mukhang ibibigay na ng AP Bren yung turtle sa Onyx.
Kaya pa rin pala ni Bad Boy Keyboy ang Guinevere. 4K gold lead, 8-3 sa side ng Onyx.
Push check at its finest. Literal, na-sweep muna nila lahat. Naglinis muna sila. Hinanap muna nila lahat ng mga nagtatago sa kanilang lungga from the side of AP Bren. And then they were able to take care of business once and for all. Seeing Flap TZ means na wala nang gaanong setup na manggagaling sa kanila kasi the final slash is gone. And that was a way for them para makabawi at makabalag sa laban na to. So, unfortunately for the side of AP Bren, hindi na nila nagawa yun. At yung dapat sana na i-contest nila na turtle, all three of those went on to the side of Onyx.
At doon mo makikita yung aggressiveness at yung assassin instinct ni Kyrie now at 4th place sa total M-Series kills. 201 kills for the Sky King. You don't give Kyrie itong mga heroes na dumadash. You don't give Kyrie itong mga heroes na may mga pan-dodge. At lalo na yung may mga pang-killer mechanic. Dahil laging gagawin niya isa stomp kayo. The question is right now, if you are AP Bren, what is your plan? How do you come back? Pwede na natin sabihin na 8 minutes ang larong to. Kanina may minigame tayo nakita nung game number 1, especially on the turtle, on the purple side ng Onyx. Ngayon walang ninanakaw yung Onyx eh. It's just pick off after pick off after pick off.
Yup, unfortunately for the side of AP Bren though, hindi to kagaya noong game number 2 na kung saan 8 minutes pa lang medyo naramdaman na natin na scaling nila is agad 8K, 9K yung gold din na hawak nila noong game 2 pero ngayon it's just around 4.2K. There is a possibility for Ogwen na magkaroon ng major setup na pwede siya gumawa ng Tyrant's Revenge and Rage combo for at least a couple of heroes. A possibility na pwedeng mapunta kay Kyrie or mapunta kay Sans. Even Chewe is a possibility here for the side of AP Bren. They just need to find that one hero and it should be Kyrie kasi mataas yung shutdown gold. 6 KDA ang hawak niya ngayon out of 8 kills na buong Onyx.
Kaso Hans, parang ang hirap. Ang hirap haligapin ni Kyrie dito kung
Yun na nga eh.
kung merong dalawang umaharap. May Dirisla ka na napakunat, ang daming armor. Tapos may Guinevere pa na ang tulas.
So if that's the case, you can hold on to few. Kahit papaano naman 300 lang yung gold lead na hawak nitong si Sans kung ikukumpara mo kay few. Plus,
Okay.
he was able to check out vision that would be necessary for AP Bren to execute kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin. And Conceal is gonna be committed here by Onyx.
Keyboy, namataan ko nasa nagtatago si Ogwen. Astral Echo, may
Uy!
na rin. Pinaburst down gaga ng Onyx Lord. Pero nakaisa doon si Sans. That's gonna go on to Kyle TZ. Another major problem for AP Bren at si Keyboy still holding on to Ogwen. Kyrie, mukhang aagaw pa sila ng orange buff ng AB.
Mukhang sa kanila na talaga yung kilak. Sans. Pinatikim ng mga karayom si Kyle.
Umisa pa nga si Keyboy with a special migration. Pero si Boots ang makakuha ng final kill. Ogwen, yung setup potential ng AP Bren nawala na. Kailangan nilang depensahan ang Lord na ito.
This is looking bad for the Beast. May Lord na nagmamarcha sa top lane. And this is vintage Onyx for a year ay ganitong kanilang laruan, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang region. Yung dinodominate nila yung laban to the point na ang bilis nag-uuwian lahat. Nasasayang yung mga ticket na bumibili ng best of 5 kasi gusto nila lagi 3-0. Kung hindi 3-0, 3-1. Basically, gusto nila early in, early out.
Kasing linis ng kanilang nagiging gameplay is the execution of what has been Onyx Masterclass na ipinapakita nila, the mastery over AP Bren na talagang hindi nila binigyan ng magandang early game itong si Kyle TC. Kyle TC is being left at least, even Super Marco. Kakasecure niya pa lang ng second item samantalang tingnan mo sa may bandang kabila. Halos isang item na lang yung kailangan buuin ni Chewe. 11 minutes in. That goes to show you the huge discrepancy na meron tayo in terms of like the damage output na ngayon ay kailangan talagang sagutin ng AP Brand. So it's really gonna boil down dito kay Ogwen. Ogwen and Flap TC, the setup combo.
Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ba ng AP yun. Pinag-uusapan natin for a year. Pinag-uusapan ng madla, ang bukang bibig. Si Kyrie ang nagbubuhat. Nang dahil kay Kyrie, meron din kasi isang specific caster na nagsabi nun eh. Pero anyways, dito mo nakikita na halos lahat ng players ng Onyx ay problema. Halos lahat ng players ng Onyx may mastery ng kanilang mga laro. Kagaya nito.
K-Boy, na-burn yung flicker. May sagot naman si Ogwen doon, kaya mapapalayo
Ay!
ang Onyx. Flap TC nagamit na yung final slash pero walang tinamaan.
Alright, nag-call. Magkukall ngayon ng Onyx na wala yan. Is AB Brand ready for this defense? Is AB Brand ready for this defense? This Onyx squad with the mastery na meron sila.
I think they still will be able to defend, but look at Chewe though.
Oo, Summon Force ginamit na nga din dito pero si Kyle TC napupuruhan na sa mga penalty zone coming in from both. Dalawa na ang nawala. Make it 3. Onyx is just reigning supreme. 4 na lang ang natitira at ang idol ng mga kids ang natitira na lamang.
View?
Yung tore ng AP Bren wala na. Onyx ang nangingibabaw and finally the Sky Kings will go to the M5 Grand Finals.
Matapos